Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hakiki Yunia Permatasari, study program Islamic Education from class Randu Blato. Answer number 1. Importance of approach in studying religion. A specific approach is important because it influences how we understand and interpret religion. Different approaches can result in different understanding of religious phenomena. For example, a historical approach will focus on historical context, while a theological approach will emphasize doctrine and belief. Answer number 2. Condition and environment of the first revelation. Prophet Muhammad received the first revelation in the cave of Hira, a secluded place in Jabal Nur. He chose the cave for meditation to seek tranquility and reflection from the life in Mecca, which was filled with practice considered immoral. His reaction to the first revelation was fear and confusion, as the experience was extraordinary and beyond his understanding. Answer number 3. Meaning and importance of revelation. Revelation in Islam is divine communication from Allah to prophet and messenger. Revelation differs from other forms of divine communication because it is the direct word of Allah conveyed through the angel Gabriel. Revelation is the primary source of Islamic teaching. Answer number 4. Main message of the first revelation. The main message of the first revelation, Surah Al-Alaq, ayat 1 to 5, is the command to read and learn. This message challenged the belief of the people of Mecca at the time, as they focused more on oral tradition and did not follow knowledge as much. Answer number 5. First people to accept Islam. The first people to accept Islam after Prophet Muhammad were Khadijah, the Prophet's wife, Abu Bakr, the Prophet's companion, Ali bin Abi Thalib, the Prophet's cousin, and Zaid bin Harithah, the Prophet's adopted son. Their acceptance shows trust and belief in Prophet Muhammad and Islamic teaching from the beginning. Answer number 6. The role of Angel Gabriel in the revelation process. The role of Angel Gabriel. Angel Gabriel is the primary intermediary in delivering revelation from Allah to Prophet Muhammad. He directly conveyed the verses of the Quran. Gabriel's involvement confirmed the prophethood, as his presence as the bearer of revelation affirmed that the message received by Prophet Muhammad comes from a divine source, not from personal thought or desire. Gabriel delivered revelation in various ways, including through the sound of a bell, appearing in human form, and instilling revelation into the prophet's ears. Answer number 7. Concept of revelation in Islam versus other Abrahamic religion. Concept of revelation in Islam is the word of Allah conveyed to Prophet Muhammad through Angel Gabriel, which was then recorded in the Quran. This revelation is considered perfect and final guidance for humanity. Different with other Abrahamic religions in Judaism and Christianity, revelation was also received by prophets, but there are differences in form and authority. In Islam, the Quran is considered the purest and most complete revelation, while scriptures of other religions are believed to have been altered. Uniqueness of the Islamic perspective. The Islamic perspective is unique because it emphasizes that the Quran is the final revelation and there will be no more scripture after it, making it an eternal cord. Answer number 8. Development of Islamic society, Ummah in early Islam. Gradual development. Islamic society in early Islam developed gradually, starting with the followers of Prophet Muhammad in Mecca and then continuing in Medina after migration. Prophet Muhammad used various strategies to invite people to Islam, including secret preaching. Initially, preaching was done secretly to family and close friends. Open preaching is after receiving the command. The Prophet began preaching openly to the public, showing noble character. The Prophet demonstrated good character which attracted many people to Islam. Conveying teaching with wisdom, the Prophet used language that was easy to understand and adapted to the societal context. Answer number 9. Meaning of the command: 1. Relative, historical and religious meaning. This command was received by the Prophet 3 years after the first revelation, marking the transition from secret preaching to open preaching. This command emphasizes the importance of starting preaching from the close environment. Change in approach. This command changed the Prophet's approach in spreading Islam. Previously, preaching was done secretly, but after this command, the Prophet began preaching openly to the entire Meccan society, including his family and relatives. Answer number 10. Impact of the advent of Islam on Arabian society. Social change. The advent of Islam brought significant social change, such as abolition of slavery. Islamic taught human equality and encouraged the freeing of slaves. Improvement of women's status. Islam granted the rights to women that they previously did not have, such as inheritance and the right to choose a spouse. Eradication of discrimination. Islamic eliminated discrimination based on tribe and social status, teaching brotherhood and equality among humans. Religious change. The advent of Islam replaced idol worship with the worship of the one God. Islam also introduced new teachings about worship, morality, and law that become the foundation of Islamic civilization. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.